Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Bonk coin or token on your Trust Wallet mobile app. You're going to have to make sure you have some cryptocurrency which you use to swap, because basically we're going to be swapping cryptocurrency. And the cryptocurrency of interest is going to be Solana. As you can see here, I have a good amount of Solana. So our next step is basically heading over to the D apps or the D browser, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once there, you scroll up and use the enter website URL and paste this link, orca.so, link in the description of the video. You then give it time to load in. As you can see here, it takes us to orca.so. This is another exchange platform just like PancakeSwap or OKX or some other decentralized crypto exchanges. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to simply search for the Bonk coin. You simply click on this orca right here and click on Bonk, or rather search for Bonk. Okay, and our next step is going to be clicking on this fish or this fish symbol and connect your Trust wallets. So you simply search for Trust, click on Trust, click on Connect again. Okay, and our Solana is being shown, $1.34. Next step, head over to the home, click on Bonk. Okay, we're going to be buying Bonk with Solana. So let's say we're looking for 100 Bonk. We'll be spending approximately 0.052 Solana. Click on buy, awaiting wallet approval, signature request. Okay, you click on sign. Okay, and once you've clicked on buy, once you've clicked on the signature icon, you simply click on max. This is the max Bonk we have. We currently purchased it. So you simply click on my crypto, and here we go. 101 of the Bonk tokens. We have it currently on our wallet. As you can see here, this is the proper amount we have, 101. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Bonk coin or token on your Trust Wallet mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.